Hey you guys, and welcome back to Diva Style. So this video is a little bit different from the other one. This is bun wraps, but this is not with the woven ribbon. This is going to be just plain using embellishments and felt and like satin ribbon. So these are some that me and my daughters did today. And when I say my daughters, I'm talking about 6-year-old. This one is my 6-year-old daughter's. I love how this turned out. It was super cute. Now this is my teenage daughter. Look at that. Super cute. This is my 9-year-old daughter's. Look at that. And these are the bun wraps. You can wrap these around your buns. These are super cute to wrap around buns. And then because it has a bow, you know, the ribbon on the end is going to have the bow hanging in the back of the bun, which is super adorable. Or my teenage daughter actually put hers around her neck as like a choker. My 9-year-old daughter put hers on like a bracelet. So you could do many things. And then these were for my I actually made these for my teenager because she always wear, like, you know, the 2 pigtails. So one for each pigtail. These are super cute, super adorable, and they are like super easy and fun to make. So let's just go ahead and get into this craft. Okay, so what me and my daughter did is we went on ahead and just cut some felt in the area that we want to embellish. It's pretty much about 1 inch thick. We did not measure the length because, you know, it just depends on how big the bun is. Yep, it's about 6 inches, like I said. That way it can wrap around my daughter's bun. And we're just going to use like some flowers, different type of flowers, and like some rhinestones to go ahead and fill this in. Your goal is to fill up your felt space. So I'm going to go ahead and let's do that now. Now I'm going to take some satin ribbon, go ahead and just burn the edges down so that the edges do not fray. Flip this over, and you're pretty much just going to glue the ribbon down to the felt. And there you go. That is a bun wrap. Now this is my favorite way of doing it, just because it looks so much better with the embellishments, and it can fit any size because of the ribbon, you know. I think I'm gonna go ahead and angle this. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. Like I said, this is a good project even for teenagers. This is one that my teenager made. Like I said, my 9-year-old, this is hers. She made a couple of them. This is hers as well. This is actually my 6-year-old. You guys, my 6-year-old did this. Like, crafting is in her future. I can see it. And like I said, when you sit there and you burn the edges, you can see how clean that looks, because it just molds to the shape of the rhinestones. Like, it'll just burn down to the rhinestone. So that'll give you a clean look. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave some pictures so that you can actually see what it looks like, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.